All right, Charlie. Can you say Hinata?
Can I come with you?
Yeah.
Hey. Hinata.
Can you say it again?
Hinata.
Can you say it again?
Hinata.
Can you say it one more time?
Hinata.
Very nice.
Let's send it to Dodo.
You what?
Let's send it to Dodo.
You want to send what to Dodo's?
What the Hinatas do? Let's send it to Nana.
You want to send it to Nana?
Yeah.
Do you want to send it to Hinata?
How about Nana?
We can send it to Nana. And then Hinata can see it. Can you say Hinata?
Hinata.
Do it again.
Hinata. 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 What's talking?
I don't know.
Oh, I know it's a truck.
Oh, she does. Yeah, she's probably barking at a truck. All right, say bye, Hinata.
Bye, Hinata.
Say I love you, Hinata.
I love you, Hinata.
Say I love you, Nana.
What?
Say I love you, Nana.
I love you, Nana.
And say, can you say I love you, Christina?
I can't say that.
Can you say I love you? Can you say I love you, Auntie?
What auntie?
What
ants?
You got ants in these pants? Are those ants?
No. No, there's doggies in my pants.
There's doggies in your pants.
No, there's doggies. Nope.
You are silly. All right, bye-bye.